Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust Volvo truck headlights. First, ensure your truck is on a level surface, facing a wall exactly 25 feet away. This distance is crucial for accurate beam alignment. Next, measure the exact height from the ground to the center of your headlight lens. This measurement will be vital for setting the correct beam height. Finally, have your Phillips head screwdriver and a measuring tape ready for the adjustment process. Let's get started. Now, transfer your headlight center height measurement to the wall using tape. This mark will serve as your reference point for the beam's upper cutoff. Next, identify the adjustment screws on your Volvo truck's headlight assembly. Typically, one screw controls vertical movement and the other handles horizontal adjustments. Turn on your low beam headlights to observe their current projection on the wall. This initial view helps you understand how much adjustment is needed before you begin turning any screws. With your low beams on, begin adjusting the vertical screw. You want the top edge of the headlight beam to fall approximately 2 to 3 inches below the tape mark on the wall. This slight drop ensures proper road illumination without blinding oncoming drivers. Next, use the horizontal adjustment screw to center the beam pattern directly in front of your truck. Repeat this process for the other headlight, ensuring both beams are symmetrically aligned for optimal visibility and safety on the road. After making your adjustments, take a moment to verify the beam pattern. It should be clear, evenly distributed, and free of any noticeable dark spots or inconsistencies. Also, switch to your high beams to confirm they project effectively and complement your low beam settings. Proper headlight alignment is crucial for safe driving, especially during nighttime or adverse weather conditions. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Regular checks ensure your Volvo truck's headlights always provide optimal visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.